In this RoofLogic 101, we're going to review how the date control works. When we say the date control, we're talking about these boxes right here, anywhere you can put in a date. And I think most of you understand that you can click here and you can pick a date, but there's a few nuances here we want to show you. The first one here is when you click here, if you need to change quickly to another month, you can do so like that. If you need to change quickly to another year, you click there and then click there again, and now you can jump to a different year entirely. After you've chosen the year, then it's going to display the month. You pick the month and then you're back to picking the day. So that's clicking at the top here, takes you to the quick jump for a month. Click it again, takes you to the quick jump for a year. So that's how you would jump large date ranges. Of course, you can always get back to today by clicking at the bottom there where it says today. But let's show you another method. For those of you who are used to input with the keyboard, a lot of people find keyboard entry is faster when you're mass entering things. I'm going to tab into the date field, and one of the things you can do is you can up arrow key. I'm pressing the up arrow key and you can see the month climbing there. And there it's going down. I'm hitting the down arrow key. I right arrow key, it'll take me over to the day, and I can up or down arrow key. And same with the year. So that's one way to, another way to put in a date. But here's one that people who are used to accounting systems will enjoy. We happen to use QuickBooks here, so we're used to entering dates this way. So if I wanted to put in the 7th of June 2013, what I would do is I'd hit 7, so I'd have the 7. Now I'm going to do the /, just like you see it on the screen right there. Find that on your keyboard. You hit /, that jumps you to the next, the day box. Then I'm going to put in 7, hit the / 2013, and there's my date. So once you get used to that format, you can go through it very quickly. And of course, if I wanted to put in August 10th, I can type 8. I can also use the arrow keys, but that means you're taking your hand, if you have a numeric keypad, it means you're taking your hand off of the numeric keypad and going to the arrow keys, where the other method keeps you on the numeric keypad. And people who are used to entering, like I say in bookkeeping situations, you're going to find that quick to do. One other little quirk you might have run into that I want to show you with the date fields, and this is specifically to the work order dates. You see my date here is August 7th, 2013. I'm sure many of you run into this. If I back up my date, I'm going to get back to a more realistic date here. Let's go back to 2013. And let's just pick August, and we'll pick August 7th. Okay, so after you've entered your start date, you'll notice if you want to pick your end date, it won't let you pick anything before the 7th, because of course you can't have a work order that ends before it actually started. So when you see it blank before the date that you're on, that's the reason why. It's just a rule that's enforced in the system. So that's a little brush up on how date fields work.